Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a surprising topic, healthy foods that might be causing you to gain belly fat. It's important to remember that just because something is healthy doesn't mean we can eat unlimited amounts of it. And that's definitely true when it comes to belly fat. We're going to break down which foods you need to watch out for, even if they're part of a healthy diet, and how much is too much. Let's get started. Let's be honest, who doesn't love avocado? On toast, in a salad, or even just on its own with a little salt and pepper, avocado is delicious. And the good news is, it's really healthy. Avocados are packed with monounsaturated fats, which are actually good for your heart. They're full of fiber, which helps us feel full and satisfied after we eat. And they even have more potassium than a banana. But here's the thing, portion size is everything. One whole avocado has about 322 calories and 29 grams of fat. That's not necessarily a bad thing, but if you're trying to watch your weight or lose belly fat, it's something to keep in mind. Eating too many calories from any source, even healthy fats, can lead to weight gain. So, how much avocado is too much? Well, it depends on your individual caloric needs and activity level. A good rule of thumb is to stick to about 1/4 to 1/2 of an avocado per serving. Remember, it's all about balance and moderation. Don't be afraid to enjoy your avocado. Just be mindful of how much you're eating. Next up, we have nuts, another food that's praised for its health benefits, especially when it comes to heart health. Nuts are packed with healthy fats, fiber, and protein, which makes them a great snack option. They've also been linked to lower cholesterol levels and a reduced risk of heart disease. But here's the thing about nuts. They're calorie dense, meaning a small amount packs a lot of calories. For example, just a quarter cup of almonds contains about 207 calories and 18 grams of fat, which again isn't bad in itself. But if you're not careful, those calories can add up quickly. Just like with avocados, portion control is key when it comes to nuts. A healthy serving size is about a small handful or about 1 ounce. It's also a good idea to choose unsalted or lightly salted nuts to avoid consuming too much sodium. And remember, variety is the spice of life. Don't be afraid to mix it up and try different types of nuts. Each one offers its own unique set of nutrients. Smoothies can seem like the perfect healthy meal or snack. They're a great way to pack in fruits, vegetables, and other nutritious ingredients. But here's the catch. Smoothies can easily turn into sugar bombs, especially if you're not careful about what you put in them. One of the biggest culprits is added sugars. Many store-bought smoothies are loaded with added sugars, which can contribute to weight gain, inflammation, and other health problems. Even if you're making smoothies at home, it's important to be mindful of the ingredients you're using. Fruit is naturally sweet, so you don't need to add any extra sugar. Be wary of using too much fruit juice, as it can also be high in sugar. Stick to whole fruits instead. Another thing to watch out for is portion size. It's easy to overdo it with smoothies, especially if you're using a large blender. Aim for a smoothie that's no more than 16 ounces. And finally, don't forget about protein and fiber. Adding protein powder, Greek yogurt, or nut butter to your smoothies can help keep you feeling full and satisfied. Fiber-rich ingredients like chia seeds or flaxseed meal can also help regulate digestion and prevent blood sugar spikes. There you have it, 3 healthy foods that might be sneaking extra calories into your diet. Remember, moderation is key. Enjoy these foods as part of a balanced diet, and be mindful of your portion sizes. Don't completely cut these foods out. They offer a variety of health benefits. Just remember that too much of a good thing can sometimes be, well, too much. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips. See you next time.